Well, as we mentioned, here in Maryland, we now have 12 coronavirus cases, including the first case in Baltimore County.
And we have you covered with a team of reporters on this story tonight. We begin with WJZ investigator Mike Helgren.
We should be prepared for dramatically increasing numbers, exponentially growing in the days to come.
Governor Larry Hogan announced new coronavirus cases Thursday. They include a man in his 60s from Baltimore County who is not hospitalized. He worked at the American-Israel Public Affairs Committee conference in Washington, D.C. A man in his 20s from Montgomery County who recently traveled to Spain. A man in his 60s from Prince George's County whose travel history is under investigation. And a woman from Montana visiting Anne Arundel County. She is now hospitalized, and officials say she had limited contact with others.
The good news is that we know that this person did not contract the virus in our county. It was from out of state. This person is a part-time resident of Anne Arundel County.
The governor says a first responder in Montgomery County contracted the illness from an outbreak at a church in Washington, D.C. He says more people are being tested at a Rockville retirement facility where a positive patient visited, and 12 Marylanders on the Grand Princess cruise ship, which docked in California after 21 positive cases, must be tested before they're allowed back in Maryland.
We want these Marylanders to be able to come home. However, we also want to take every precaution to limit the spread of COVID-19 in our state.
The governor also says the MVA is moving to appointments only, no walk-ins. As for corrections, no visits to inmates in infirmaries. And nursing homes and state VA facilities are limited to essential visitors only.
Marylanders should be taking this pandemic very seriously. All Marylanders need to understand and prepare that there may be significant disruption to your everyday lives.
The patient here in Anne Arundel County is in fair condition and in isolation. Because her main address is in Montana, she is not considered part of the state's official count. In Hanover, Mike Helgren, WJZ.